I talked about opinion party months ago, years ago. Now, the reason why I'm bringing this to you is because of the current benefit of opinion party. Now, there are questions that most people ask concerning survey. Most people will come and say, does this survey works in Nigeria, or can I use proxy on it? Now, this particular platform supports majority of all the countries, as you can see right here in Nigeria. So what I'm going to do is to show you how to get registered on this particular website and what you should expect. Now, the reason why I'm taking my time to show you this is because there is a new benefit of it. Formerly, when you register on this platform, it takes time for you to get accepted. So I'm going to be walking you through this process, and you are also going to follow this process to get started. Just like I said, you are not going to be needing a proxy, a VPN on this. So the very first thing you want to do is to click the first link on the pinned comment section, and you are going to be brought right here. But before I proceed, guys, if you're coming across the channel for the first time, or you're hearing this voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joakim. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online, show you what works in the online space so you can benefit from it. However, in the course of this video, and you found this video helpful, please do well to like and also share. So it is always advisable you like, subscribe to this channel so you can get more updates like this. Now, with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial form. Now, this is what you are going to be doing. Before you go into any site, it is always advisable you read through to understand where they are actually diving to. Now, they said, why choose opinion party? It says Nigeria most trusted platform for survey and app testing with transparent payout and genuine opportunities. Now, they specifically stated that this particular platform is for Nigerians, so you can as well have access to this. Now, there are also other forms you can use to get started with this particular platform. Now, when you click on the hamburger icon right here, you're going to be seeing for researchers, for builders, for creators, go to market, about us, and the likes of it. But what I want to do is to show you the process of registration. Now, when you come right here, you can see that you have to input your email under start earning today. So what I'm going to do is to come right here, and I'm going to put this particular email right here. Let me say code joaking1@gmail.com, right? So once you have done this, the next thing you want to do is to click on get started. Now, the moment you click on get started, you can see right here that they said over 85,421 waitlist subscribers. Now, opinion party is currently in beta testing and will be launching soon. Now, this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to be filling out this form and you're going to be joining the waitlist. The reason why I'm making this video is because once you join this waitlist, you are going to be approved. But I'm going to be giving you and telling you when you will be approved. So right now, what we're going to do, I'm going to put in my details right here. So I'm going to take this out. So let me use this particular one. Okay, so I've actually inserted these details. So what I'm going to do is to come right here and click on wait list. All right, so you can see where it says participants and researchers. So let me click on join wait list. So you can see that I'm actually accessing this platform without any VPN. Now, the moment you click on that, you're going to be brought right here where it says join as a participant, get notified when surveys and reviews become available. So you are joining as a participant to benefit from this platform. You can see right here it says you are officially on the wait list. Welcome to Opinion Party Inner Circle. You are first in line for rewards. Invite and insider drops. Let's lock in every update too, so you never miss a launch. So your quick following and your quick follow checklist, it really boosts your. So just come right here and check this box. That's if you are follow them on Instagram and X. So what you are going to do is to come right here and still do the same thing. So you are going to be putting your number. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to still put that email, right? So we are still going to put our number right here. So then you come right here and click on join waitlist. Once you fill this, you come right here, check this box. You can see where it says quick follow checklist. It's really boosts your experience. Follow us on Instagram, daily pics behind blah blah blah. So you just come right here, you come right here and click this particular this thing, and you follow them. So you go back to your account, you also come down to X, you click that, you also follow them on X, right? So you come right and check this. So that is what you have to do. Then you click on join wait lists. Okay, so now when you click on join wait lists, you are going to be on the wait list for 1 week if possible. So that 1 week, before that 1 week, you will be approved on your opinion party. Now if you have your account registered, you come right here and you click on sign in, right? You will be getting notified via their information on your email. So once you have been approved on your wait list, then you can go ahead to start taking service. You don't actually need a VPN or a proxy to access that. Now under researcher, you can come right here and also insert your details. You will be the first to know when we launch our research tools. So that is also same as the same as the application for the participants. Now the reason why I'm explaining this opinion party to you is because a lot of Nigerians are into it. Now these are some testimonies you will be getting, so you can see it right here. This person saying, as a student, opinion party helps me cover my expenses. So you can see these are from Nigeria's Ibadan, Nigeria. So these are people who are using this. So you don't actually need a VPN or a proxy to have access to this platform. So you can as well come right here and see some other people and how much they have actually accumulated last month. So you can see this right here, how it works. You can see the steps on getting started on opinion party. The benefit of this is that PayPal is actually accepted in Nigeria, so you can also use your PayPal to receive funds from this particular platform. So what you can actually do is to watch the video on how I made creating a PayPal account here in Nigeria, verifying it, and also getting it approved. So what I'm going to do right now is to log into my PayPal account. So what I'm going to do is to show you how my PayPal looks like. So once you log into your account, so you can always get the app if you choose to. I just need to give access to this. So I'll be getting the code on my device and I'll be logging in right away. So let me quickly log in. Okay, let me quickly log in, submit. All right, so once you have your PayPal account, your Nigerian PayPal account, you can actually use that on your opinion party. So you can actually see that this particular PayPal is the Nigerian PayPal. So why I'm bringing this to use, because PayPal has been accepted in Nigeria, so you can go ahead using your Nigerian PayPal account on your opinion party. So this is what I just want you to take notes of. So try it and get back to me so I can know how it has been at your end. So just take your time and register for an account. Wait when you get accepted on the waitlist, as Nigerians are accepted. So what you just have to do is to give some little time. Within a week, you will be accepted on this platform. So once you're accepted, the next thing you want to do is to start taking your service. All right, so if you have any issues, you can come back to this channel and drop your comment, and I will be glad to give a response to that. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. However, it is always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I want giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.